Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove page number in Word. To get started, open your Word file. You can see the page number in either the header or footer. To remove it, double-click the header or footer. When you do, click on the footer option, since in this case we have it there, and select Remove Footer. You can see that the word page number has been removed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.